was the first to stand before thee and ward off the piercing arrow. She turned it from his skin as a mother whisks a fly from off her child when it is sleeping sweetly.
Barefoot on the sea's edge, I dismiss parental warnings. The Atlantic Ocean can't drown me.
Gowned and veiled for tribal ritual in a maze of tulle and satin, with her eyes rimmed round in cat fur and the stylish men about her kissing kin and carefree suitors.
They didn't like me writing. It took time from them. Now don't disturb Ginny. And I knew from that moment that they hated me for wanting to write.
I sink submerged in shades of night, and standing about, a small flock of fowl in sombre plumage, a miniature peacock, a shorebird on long stems, and now it appears that several are wearing shoes, and among them a bird with 4 feet. One expects more colour among a flock of birds, even in the hallucinations of the blind.